Hello and welcome to this Hints and Tips video. I'm Colin Evans, a Senior Applications Engineer with Solid Applications. Today we're going to be looking at repositioning and reorientating the sketch origin. In this example, I'm going to create a sketch on this face. So select the face, sketch. By default, SOLIDWORKS has taken this element here as being the x-axis and this to be my y-axis. However, I would like this one to be my x-axis and this to be my y, with this being my origin. So let's take a look on how we do this. On my Tools tab, I can come down to Sketch Tools, on my Sketch Tools to Align, and I'm going to use the command Align Grid Stroke Origin. So on the Property Manager, I can select where I want my origin to be. I can select which is going to be my x-axis, which is going to be this one, and I can also specify that as being my y-axis, but that is automatically going to be the y you can see from the little symbol that's being displayed. So green ticket, and now when I select normal 2, you can see the sketch goes to the correct orientation. So let's just try that. Let's just draw an arrow on here, and so that is y as being up along the x-axis. Come out of my sketch, go back, let's just go back to the isometric view and going back and edit this sketch. You can see that now points upwards. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.